When you have a very busy schedule and need a quick meal, here are some of the ideas that you can use to make either some brunch, or you can actually make it a light dinner. On to our first simple meal. We are going to make pancakes, and we are only going to use 3 ingredients. That is a banana, cornstarch aka corn flour, and an egg. I saw a similar recipe on TikTok, but for it they only used the banana and the egg, and when I tried it for one of my TikToks, it backfired badly. I could not pick the mixture from the pan. So someone, thank you to my followers, commented that you need to add cornstarch or even the normal all-purpose flour to be able to get a proper pancake. So I tried it, and to be honest, it actually worked. So as we continue, you'll see how it turned out. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Jessie, and thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If you're new, kindly consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time we have a new video. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. If you have given this video a thumbs up, thank you. And of course, don't forget to comment down below. It really helps grow our channel. And it also helps me understand the kind of content you want us to share on this channel. Remember, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and we thank each and everyone who subscribed in the month of August. We may not have reached 1,000 subscribers, but we are so grateful because at least we are still growing. Even if we didn't hit our target, we don't give up. We keep pushing. We are still on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We are actually, by the time I'm recording this video, we are less than 20 subscribers to 500. So at least get us to 500, even as we continue the journey to 1,000 subscribers. As you can see, the pancake turned out to be nice, and we were able to even turn it even as we cooked, and even the final outcome was amazing. And I must say, it's delicious. Actually, I would definitely make it another day. On to our next simple meal. We are going to use smokies from Farmer's Choice, and we are going to use different ways of making the smokies. Precisely, I think I made it 3 times. Yes. So as you can see, the first meal, we are going to use smokies and pasta, or what we call spaghetti. So I'm going to split it into 2 so that it fits on my pot. Actually, the reason I do that is so that it can fit on my pot. Otherwise, if I'm just cooking spaghetti alone, I just cook them full. I prefer them full. Yeah. So I'm just going to pin, so to speak, the spaghettis inside the smoky. I must say this, in a previous video, I tried this recipe with sausages, and I thought they were too soft for the spaghetti. But then now, when I'm trying here, they are very hard. Actually, they were breaking. They kept on breaking. So you can just use either sausage or smokies. So for this recipe, I'm just going to boil and just pan fry. I've already shared this recipe in a previous video. I'll not get into details. For the next simple meal, you can see I'm just going to boil the smokies, and of course, if it's for brunch, you can now add your bread or any other thing that you may have. According to the package, you're supposed to boil it for 3 to 5 minutes. So actually I did that, and now I'm able to have it ready. Just to mention, the other spaghetti and smokies cooking on the other pot, I will use that starch water. The starch water is very useful to thicken any soup, so you can always use it for even your other ingredients. Now, the next simple meal, we're going to just simply fry, and we have our ingredients over there. We are going to use onions, which is cooking, as we slice the other ingredients. So as you can see, we have capsicum, we have red, yellow, green, and tomato. So we're going to just mix everything together. Because we are using this slicer, it's going to mince them to the desired size. I'm sure you have seen the outcome of the onions in the previous clip. So it doesn't matter whether you need to give tomatoes time to cook. And remember, these smokies are pre-cooked, so you only need to cook them for 3 minutes. That's why you are ensuring everything else has mixed and cooked evenly before you add the smokies. Yeah, so here I am adding the mixture, and you see I have left a portion, which is what I used for this other recipe. Remember, I said it's already there on our channel, so you can always check it out if you want the full video. I'm going to link it down below. For the sauce, you can add whichever you desire, but if you have been following us, you know my favorite is barbecue. But for this recipe, I said, why not? Let me try ketchup, and it turned out amazing. As you can see, we just added a few seasoning. Of course, tropical heat seasoning is amazing, the best of the best. Yeah, and Kikkoman soy sauce. Hey, I don't know, it's just another thing that elevates the flavor of the food. And then of course now we add in our smokies. As you can see, I have sliced them further because we are just going to pan fry them. So you don't want a big piece, you can just enjoy a smaller piece. So that is why they are now a bit smaller. Okay, so we're just going to cook them for 3 to 5 minutes, and they will also be ready. If you're still watching this far, thank you so much. We really appreciate you, and we value your continued support. Once again, if you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing to join the Jest family, and ensure the notification bell is on so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. If you're returning, thank you. For everyone who has ever clicked that subscribe button, God bless you for me. We really appreciate your continued support. And that's it from us today. See you on our next video.